Hi friends, today we're looking over simple orientation to the Math Strategies class. As you can see, this is the home page. Clicking on here, and the basic rundown is we've got um, this list of things that you can access over here, and then of course the main page. So I'm going to talk about the main page first. We have a link to the syllabus. You do get credit for looking that over. We have a link to the modules. That's where 95% of your work is going to be done. Click on that and get to each week as we go through. There's also a link here, a quick link to a scientific calculator. I'll pop that up real quick. This one just happens to be the Google version. It's kind of nice. It's got some, you can square root, you can square, in case we get to that, if you're working on something like that. There's also some geometric functions, things like that. There's other versions, like here's even a Web 2.0 calculator. This one is a little bit fancier. They're all kind of the same. You can also download ones to use on a smartphone if you happen to have one. If you are a independent study student, here is your digital check-in. I don't necessarily delineate between students, but I do take the positive attendance. So if you're an independent study student, please make sure every time you're working, you're checking in. All right, now back to the list on the left. I'm going to skip modules for right now because, again, that's the main part where we're going to live. But you can check your grades. So here you can check grades, things that you're working on. Assignment, this gives you an assignment list. This one's helpful if you want to check and make sure you've done all the assignments, especially for independent study students. You can see over here what assignments you've done and which ones haven't been done. And even if they've been done and not graded, it'll show that. Obviously, I haven't completed any, so it doesn't necessarily show anything. Quizzes are similar, it kind of goes along with assignments. Actually, I might even remove that button for you guys. Syllabus, here's another link to that. Conferences, if you want a conference with me, this is a way for me to do that. We can do it either over just voice, or we can actually include video if you choose to do that. We can set that up. Google Drive, you can use that to upload pictures and whatnot to your Google Drive and then have it built into Canvas, which is really nice. And also, here's a place for just simple files, and you can upload it kind of to the cloud. That also would be a way to submit assignments and things like that. All right, so now moving on to modules. Here is a simple breakdown. So we've got week 0, we've got orientation. There's a bunch of videos in there, and you do get credit for checking everything out. I am going to also add a quick page as far as how to submit pictures for assignments. So oftentimes we're going to give you either a PDF, which is a printout for assignments, and then you print it out and work off of that, or just a list of problems inside the assignment that's actually on the page, which you then work on a notebook paper, and you can either scan it, take a picture of it, however, and then upload it. And we're going to have a video about that. Before you get started on anything down here, we have initial assessment, so please take some time to do that. But generally, you're going to be working in the modules. Hopefully you have a nice day, and we'll see you soon.